Okay, here we have how much was against the driveway, or the garage door. Okay, videotaping front of the house. Lots and lots of snow. Poor Kate's car is kind of like in there right now. We'll have to try to back it up and uncover it. Front of the house. Haven't done the walkway yet. Stu, our neighbor, came over and snowblowed most of the driveway. Wonderful, wonderful neighbors. Lots of snow on the roof. Try to be able to get that off. Gonna go down the street here. There's Stu. Only one path going down the street so far. I'm sure they're working on the main roads. But crazy, crazy. What I thought was a big drift in front of Lewitsky's drive was actually just snow on the car. Haha. A lot of the areas here did get snow blowed yet, or so far, but still a lot to go. It's absolutely crazy. We knew it was coming though. I think it's still going to be pretty bad for a couple more hours, but I guess I gotta get to work and get the rest of this so I can actually get the car out. More to come.